Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the coolest compact muscle cars of the 1960s, the 1967 Dodge Dart GT. This car marked the beginning of a new era for Dodge, where style, performance, and affordability came together in one sharp-looking package. So, buckle up as we explore its design, comfort, and power to see what makes the Dart GT a true classic of American automotive history. Exterior. The 1967 Dodge Dart GT was part of the fourth generation of the Dart lineup and the first major redesign since 1963. The car had a much cleaner, more squared-off look, featuring sharp body lines and a bold front grille that screamed confidence. Up front, the dual headlamps were housed in a wide chrome-accented grille, giving the car a more upscale, aggressive presence. The long hood and short deck styling perfectly captured the muscle car attitude of the era, compact but mean. From the side, the Dart GT came with stylish chrome trim, sleek body contours, and optional sporty stripes that hinted at the power under the hood. At the back, the rectangular tail lamps and simple, elegant rear panel gave it that unmistakable late 60s charm. Whether in hardtop or convertible form, the Dart GT had a sporty stance that made it stand out among other compact cars of its time. Interior. Step inside the 1967 Dodge Dart GT, and you're greeted by a surprisingly refined cabin for a compact performance car. The dashboard was simple but functional, featuring round gauges with chrome bezels that gave it a classic muscle car vibe. You'd find a deep dish steering wheel with the GT emblem proudly displayed, along with bucket seats that provided good support for spirited driving. The center console housed the gear shifter, a stylish touch that gave drivers a more connected feel to the road. Trim options included vinyl upholstery, chrome accents, and available upgrades like air conditioning and a push-button radio, quite a luxury for its class back then. It wasn't overly fancy, but the Dart GT's interior was all about clean design and driver-focused comfort. Performance. Under the hood, the GT originally came standard with a 273 cubic inch V8 engine, producing around 180 horsepower, but with the Commando 273 upgrade, you could push it up to 235 horsepower. Paired with either a 3-speed automatic or a 4-speed manual transmission, the Dart GT offered a smooth yet responsive driving experience. It wasn't the fastest muscle car of its time, but its lightweight body and powerful V8 gave it impressive acceleration and great handling for a compact vehicle. The suspension setup was well balanced, with torsion bars in the front and leaf springs in the rear, making it both comfortable and capable on twisty roads. It was the perfect balance between everyday drivability and classic muscle performance. The 1967 Dodge Dart GT wasn't just another compact car, it was a statement. It combined style, performance, and affordability in a way that appealed to both young drivers and muscle car enthusiasts alike. Today, it's remembered as one of Dodge's most iconic small cars, a true piece of 1960s American automotive history. Its sharp looks, punchy V8, and timeless charm continue to make it a favorite among collectors and classic car fans. If you ever get the chance to see one, or better yet, drive one, you'll understand why the Dart GT still holds a special place in the hearts of car lovers everywhere. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 1967 Dodge Dart GT, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next classic car feature. Drop a comment below, what's your favorite vintage Dodge model? Until next time, keep those engines running and that nostalgia alive.